Chihuahua, Rottweiler, Labrador, Golden Retriever, Shih Tzu, what's that one with the Pomeranian? Pomeranian. What's the other one called?
German Shepherd, Pomeranian, Poodle, Doberman, Bulldogs, Schnauzers, or the Wiener Dogs.
Halloween, Christmas, Kwanzaa, Diwali, Easter, New Year's, Valentine's Day, Hanukkah,
New Year's Day, Valentine's Day, Family Day, Easter, Good Friday, Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, Boxing Day, Misha's birthday.
Winner, Daniel.